Welcome to our comparison of the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the Aptovpvp portable dryer. In today's video, we will delve into the key features of both products, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're living in a small apartment, an RV, or a dorm, finding the right portable laundry solution is essential. Let's see how these two products stack up against each other. The ROVSUN washing machine boasts a total capacity of 15 pounds, with 9 pounds allocated for washing and 6 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the Aptovpvp dryer is designed for much smaller loads, making it less suitable for larger laundry needs. If you require a machine that can handle more laundry at once, the ROVSUN is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to portability, the Aptovpvp dryer shines with its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to transport and store. On the other hand, the ROVSUN washing machine, while still portable, is heavier and bulkier, which may be a consideration for those with limited space or mobility. The ROVSUN washing machine offers a built-in drain pump and an all-in-one function for washing and spinning, making it a versatile choice for laundry. In contrast, the Aptovpvp dryer features a remote control and multiple drying modes, providing convenience for quick drying. Depending on your laundry needs, each product has unique features that cater to different preferences. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN 15LBS portable washing machine and the Aptovpvp portable dryer offer unique advantages for portable laundry solutions. The ROVSUN is ideal for those needing a washing machine with a decent capacity, while the Aptovpvp is perfect for quick drying in small spaces. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like